Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best gender reveal tic-tac-toe board is probably one of the most exciting and interactive ways to share your baby's gender with loved ones, offering a fun twist on a classic game that doubles as a memorable keepsake for your special announcement. Number 5. BSIRI Wooden Tic-Tac-Toe Game. Experience the exquisite craftsmanship of our beautifully designed Xoxo game. Crafted from high-quality wood, it's built to last for countless hours of thrilling gameplay. This wooden brain teaser is more than just a game, it's a learning tool that enhances critical thinking and strengthens family bonds. Create cherished moments together with these fun party and travel games. Enjoy hours of fun and excitement with our easy and entertaining tic-tac-toe game. It's designed for adults and guarantees endless laughter and engagement for everyone involved. Add a touch of rustic elegance to your home with this classic tabletop game. It's a perfect blend of minimalist farmhouse decor and functionality, redefining your home's aesthetic. Surprise your loved ones with a memorable gift for any occasion. This unisex wooden game makes a lasting impression, perfect for gift exchanges, or as a fun and unique present. What we like. Crafted from high-quality wood, this offers a premium feel and lasting durability. It's designed to enhance critical thinking and serve as an aesthetic decor piece. If you're looking for a classic game that doubles as a stylish addition to your coffee table or desk, and you appreciate fine craftsmanship, this is the perfect choice for family game nights or as a unique gift. What people say. The board is a great size and has a nice design. It was easy to set up and use for our gender reveal party. The game was a fun activity for our guests. Number 4. Juvale Boy or Girl Voting Board. Get your guests excited with this interactive guessing game. It's the perfect addition to any baby shower celebration. This set comes with plenty of stickers for everyone to cast their vote. There are 72 pink for girl and 72 blue for boy. Featuring a classic blackboard design and easel back, it's simple to set up anywhere. Guests can easily make their choice. Measuring 12 by 17 inches, it fits perfectly on your table without taking up too much space. The design adds a classic touch to your decor. Everything you need is included in this set. It comes with the vote board and all the stickers, ready to enhance your baby shower. What we like. This interactive board engages all your guests in the excitement of guessing the baby's gender with plenty of stickers. It's designed for easy tabletop display, making it a centerpiece for your baby's shower. If you want a straightforward, engaging activity that ensures everyone can participate and adds a classic chalkboard charm to your event, this is the ideal option. What people say. The board is a hard board with good stability. Easy to use and understand the function on how to place it. Comes just as described and is the perfect size for a table. Our guests loved it, highly recommend. Very cute. The sign is pretty large and visible at study and stands up by itself. The stickers are good and easily come off. Number 3. Baby Gender Reveal Pull-Out Game Voting Box. Get ready for an exciting gender reveal party with our fun voting game. It's the perfect way to involve everyone in the big surprise. This package comes with an easy-to-assemble ballot box, 60 voting cards in pink and blue, a decorative strip, and glue dots. Everything is provided for a seamless guessing game experience. Our eye-catching box and cards feature cute designs like footprints and question marks. Made from durable cardstock, they are designed to be used again and again. The voting box is a great size for any party table, measuring approximately 8 by 8 inches. The ballot cards and decorative strip are also perfectly sized for your event. With 60 cards, every guest can cast their vote for Team Boy or Team Girl. They can even write advice on the back, creating a lovely keepsake for the parents-to-be. Engage your guests with 2 interactive games. First, they vote with cards. Then, the parents pull a decorative strip from the box to reveal the final color, adding an extra layer of surprise. What we like. This offers a unique 2-in-1 experience with both voting and a surprise pull-out strip reveal. Its cute, reusable design and generous number of ballot cards make it a fun keepsake. If you're looking for an interactive game that provides multiple layers of fun and a memorable way to involve guests in the reveal, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It is a very easy gender reveal product. I am very pleased with it. Very easy to assemble and no mess. I would buy it again. Gender reveal box very easy to assemble, Comes with instruction sheet. I was really satisfied with my purchase. It is a good size, the material is good. Very easy to use and very exciting way to make the reveal. Highly recommended. Number 2. Gender Reveal Tic Tac Toe Board Game. Get ready for an exciting way to reveal your baby's gender. This classic game adds a fun and interactive element to your celebration. Featuring a charming wood grain pattern in a neutral beige, this game fits seamlessly with any party theme. It's a stylish addition to any gathering. This complete kit comes with a large backdrop, boy and girl cards, ribbon, and pins. It's perfect for baby showers and gender reveal parties. Crafted from tear-proof fabric and thick, laminated cardstock, this game is built to last. The vibrant colors and clear patterns ensure a beautiful presentation. Easily set up by pinning the cards to the backdrop. Parents take turns revealing cards, and the first to get 3 in a row announces the gender. We're confident you'll love this kit. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a hassle-free refund or replacement. Buy with confidence. What we like. This features a large backdrop that serves as the game board, making it a visually striking addition to your party. It's incredibly easy to set up by pinning cards, and the printed wood look is chic and neutral. If you want a game that creates a fun focal point, is simple to manage, and fits seamlessly with various gender reveal themes, this is a great pick. What people say. The product quality is very good, and the size is perfect so guests could easily see it during the reveal. It packed up nice and flat and was everything we expected. Nice quality and easy to put together and big for everyone to see. It came with everything you need and it's a great size. Also top quality. Number 1. Baby Gender Reveal Dartboard Game Kit. Looking for a fun and interactive way to reveal your baby's gender? This game is perfect for creating a memorable moment for everyone involved. Guests take turns popping balloons, leading to a spectacular burst of either pink or blue powder. It's a fantastic way to capture stunning photos and videos of the big reveal. This comprehensive kit comes with a backdrop, blank balloons, colored powder, darts, pins, ribbon, and instructions. You'll have everything ready for the party. The backdrop is durable and reusable, and the balloons are thick and resistant. The powder is non-toxic, ensuring a safe and worry-free celebration for you and your guests. Setting up is a breeze. Simply inflate the balloons, fill them with the colored powder, and let the dart-throwing fun begin. The reveal happens after hitting a set number of either pink or blue balloons. We are confident you'll love this gender reveal game kit. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help with a resend or refund. Enjoy your celebration. What we like. This provides a thrilling and interactive experience with a vibrant powder burst reveal, perfect for capturing stunning photos. It includes everything you need, like a durable backdrop and safe powder. If you're looking for a high-impact, visually exciting reveal that gets everyone involved and creates unforgettable moments, this dartboard game is the ultimate choice. What people say. The board is a fun and interactive way to reveal the gender. It's a great conversation starter and adds excitement to the party. The design is cute and the pieces are easy to handle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.